How to fix Starbucks birthday reward not showing up. Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. In this video tutorial, we'll be discussing about why your Starbucks birthday reward might not be showing up. So if you're having trouble with this, don't worry, we're here to help. To receive your birthday reward, you must be an active member of the Starbucks Rewards program. If you haven't made a purchase with your registered Starbucks card or app in the past year, you may not be eligible for the free reward. You need to meet certain criteria to receive the birthday reward, and this includes joining the program at least a week before your birthday, making at least one purchase with your account, and ensuring that your birthday is correctly listed on your account information. Sometimes, a technical issue might also cause a problem with the Starbucks system that prevent the birthday reward from appearing. These issues are usually temporary and can often be resolved by contacting the Starbucks support team. So if you're using the mobile app, your reward might not be showing up due to stored data or cookies on your device, and clearing the app cache and cookies in your app can help resolve this issue. On iOS, you may need to uninstall and reinstall the application to do this, and using an outdated version of Starbucks could also cause this issue. To check for updates, go to the App Store and search for updates and install any available updates available. And after following the simple steps, you're still unable to find your rewards, it's best to contact the Starbucks customer support for further assistance. So this was all about it. This is exactly how you can fix the Starbucks birthday reward not showing up. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing to our channel. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.